Looking real technical, gangster.
Carl, you ain't run off again yet?
No, gangster. I'm here for good.
Yeah? Well, fuck this gig, man. I'm putting together a listening party for my album. But first, I need a sound system.
Hey, I'm down as long as I don't have to go to the port.
What you talking about, fool? Guaranteed I start playing, everybody will come through.
Being real OG, I really ain't into rap no more. I'm more into that hardcore gangster shit.
Well, that's me, homie. That's me. OG Loc, baby.
Yeah, for sure. But I only like them if they rhyme real well. You know, well, anyway, what you want me to steal?
That's what I'm talking about. Love for your homies. Now check it. I caught me a real fly sound system, cruising through the drive-thru. I think they headed down to the beach for a beach party. Now check this out. I'll roll with you, and on the way, I can get a couple of freestyles. It's OG Loc in the place. You don't want to stop me with a gun in your face.
Yeah,
OG,
man. Let's shut the
OG.
fuck up. Maybe I need to do this on my own. I believe in you. Gangster for life, homie. For life.
Yeah, for life, homie.
Out on face, shit, I'm not telling you.
Ain't this what they mean by carpool?
Hey, what's cracking?
Just hanging out, you know.
Hey man, where the weed at?
Well, hey, let's dance, sugar.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Bomb, man.
Let's see what you got. Come and chat?
What's happening, homeboy?
All right, lead the way.
Right? Not yet, man. Later.
Let me take you into my office.
What's up, dog?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's right. This big damn staff loves me. And it's tight, man. Right. Let me go fast.
Stealing the sound.
I'm the one supposed to drive